Hi, I'm Prasad Balgi. I'm the Associate Director, Multimedia Production Team at Editich Digital Media Solutions. How do we create a good graphical abstract? As you start preparing your graphical abstract, it can be extremely helpful to break the process down into manageable steps. The first thing you should do is conceptualize your graphical abstract. Note down the key points of your research that you want to include in your graphical abstract. Next, you should definitely check the journal guidelines to understand what dimensions, type of layout, and schematic they expect you to follow. Once you've gone through the journal guidelines, start planning the layout. Map out what information you want to place and how you want the flow of information to be. You can also use arrows to show the flow of information. Once you're clear on the layout, start designing the visual elements. If you are using free or AI-generated images, make sure they are scientifically accurate once you modify them for your use. And finally, once your graphical abstract is ready, make sure you review it or share it with your peers to review it and make any necessary adjustments as required. So good luck with creating your graphical abstract.